Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect HubSpot with Outlook full guide. Start by installing the HubSpot sales add-in in Outlook and sign into both apps. Next, enable email logging and tracking, choose which folders to sync, and set contact matching preferences. Then test with a sample email to confirm events appear in HubSpot. Finally, review sync frequency and permissions to keep data organized and secure. In this video, I will show how to connect HubSpot with Outlook full guide. Open HubSpot settings and confirm team permissions for CRM access and contact editing. In Outlook, enable the HubSpot add-in and allow background sync to run. Configure logging rules to exclude private folders and avoid cluttering records. Test permission boundaries with one account, then roll changes out to your team for consistent behavior and clean data. In this video, I will show how to connect HubSpot with Outlook full guide. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker gives crisp sound and lets you set reminders while you work on integrations. It pairs well with productivity workflows and voice prompts for timers, so you stay focused. If you find this useful, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect HubSpot with Outlook full guide. If emails fail to log, restart Outlook and clear the add-in cache before reinstalling. Check HubSpot for duplicate contacts and merge them so future messages map correctly. Inspect Outlook rules and third-party antivirus that might block syncs. Finally, run a time test email and monitor the HubSpot activity timeline to confirm successful delivery and logging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.